Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Cat Liner Stencil is probably one of the most sought-after beauty tools for achieving that perfect, symmetrical winged eyeliner look that can elevate any makeup style, from a subtle daytime enhancement to a dramatic evening statement, making it an indispensable item for anyone looking to master the art of precise eye makeup application with ease and speed. Number 5. Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit 16-Piece Eyebrow Makeup Palette. Discover the ultimate tool for flawless brows. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to shape and define your eyebrows with precision and ease. Experiment with different looks using the included stencils. Whether you prefer a bold arch or a natural curve, you can achieve your desired brow shape effortlessly. This all-inclusive set features a variety of powders to match any hair color. It also comes with essential tools like a brush, tweezers, and wax for a complete brow grooming experience. Add a touch of radiance and definition to your brows. The included highlighter enhances your brow bone, making your eyes appear brighter and more lifted. Looking for a unique gift for her? This elegant brow contour kit makes a thoughtful and practical present for birthdays or any special occasion. Crafted with quality in mind, this kit ensures professional results every time. Achieve salon-worthy brows from the comfort of your home. What we like? This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for perfectly shaped brows. It includes multiple stencils for various looks and all the essential tools. If you're looking for a complete brow solution or want to experiment with different brow shapes, this is a great choice. What people say. The stencil is easy to use and creates a perfect cat eye every time. It's a great tool for beginners who struggle with winged eyeliner. The stencil is made of flexible material that conforms to the eye shape. Number 4. DOCOLOR Eyeliner Stamp 2-in-1. Achieve the perfect winged eyeliner look with ease. This innovative tool makes creating sharp, symmetrical wings simpler than ever before. It features a convenient 2-in-1 design, combining a precise liner with an easy-to-use stamp. Get flawless results in just one step. Enjoy long-lasting wear that won't smudge or fade throughout the day. This formula is designed to stay put, keeping your look fresh. Create a sharp, precise cat eye every time. The unique stamp ensures symmetry and definition for a professional finish. Its long-lasting formula ensures your makeup stays impeccable from morning to night. No touch-ups needed for a flawless appearance. This product is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Simply stamp and go for stunning eye makeup in seconds. What we like? This innovative tool features a dual-ended design for effortless winged eyeliner application. Its waterproof formula ensures long-lasting wear without smudging. If you struggle with creating symmetrical wings or need a reliable, smudge-proof liner for a busy day, this is the product for you. What people say. The stencil is easy to use and helps create a perfect cat eye. It's a great tool for beginners who struggle with eyeliner. The stencil is made of flexible material that fits the eye shape well. Number 3. NYX Professional Makeup Matte Setting Spray. Achieve a flawless, matte finish that lasts. Our setting spray locks your makeup in place for up to 16 hours. Keep your look fresh and vibrant all day long. This mist ensures your makeup stays put without fading or creasing. Say goodbye to shine and hello to a perfect matte complexion. It controls oil and reduces glare for a smooth appearance. Feel good about what you put on your skin. This product is made with a vegan formula, kind to you and the planet. Enjoy the confidence of makeup that stays put. It's your secret weapon for a look that endures from morning to night. What we like? Achieve a flawless matte finish that lasts up to 16 hours with this setting spray. Its vegan formula is gentle on the skin. If you want your makeup to stay put all day without looking shiny, or if you prefer cruelty-free products, this setting spray is an excellent option. What people say. The stencil is easy to use and helps create a symmetrical cat eye. It's a great tool for beginners who struggle with drawing eyeliner wings. The stencil is made of flexible material that conforms to the eye shape. Number 2. LA Pure Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Stamp. Tired of uneven eyeliner? Achieve perfect wings every time with this innovative tool. It's designed for a flawless cat eye look in seconds. This eyeliner features a unique stamp for precise wings and a fine-tipped pen for detailed lines. Get the best of both worlds for your eye makeup. Enjoy long-lasting wear without the worry of smudging or fading. It stays put all day, keeping your look sharp and defined. Join the trend that everyone is talking about. This eyeliner stamp is the secret to achieving that popular, chic look seen on TikTok. Whether you're a makeup pro or a beginner, this tool makes creating winged eyeliner incredibly simple. Get salon-quality results at home. The rich, black pigment delivers an intense color payoff. It adds dramatic definition to your eyes for a captivating gaze. What we like? Get the perfect winged look with this convenient stamp and pen combo. It's smudge-proof and has become a popular trend for a reason. If you're aiming for that viral cat eye look or want a quick and easy way to achieve sharp wings, this tool is a must-have. What people say. Easy to use and creates a perfect cat eye every time. The stencil is flexible and fits the contour of the eye well. Great for beginners who struggle with winged eyeliner. Number 1. L'Oréal Paris Infallible Flash Cat Eye Eyeliner. Introducing the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Flash Cat Eye. Achieve a flawless winged look with ease. This waterproof formula ensures your look stays put all day. No smudging, no fading, just perfect lines. Its unique applicator makes creating sharp, precise lines incredibly simple. Get that perfect cat eye every time. Experience a deep, intense black that defines your eyes beautifully. It's the ultimate addition to your makeup collection. Whether for a quick touch-up or a full glam look, this is your new favorite eyeliner. It's designed for performance and style. What we like? This liquid liner offers a precision tip for sharp, clean lines and a perfect cat eye flick. It's waterproof and smudge-resistant, ensuring your look stays flawless. If you desire a sharp, defined winged liner that won't budge, especially for those who prefer a classic, bold line, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This stencil is a game-changer for achieving perfect winged eyeliner every time. The flexible material makes it easy to hold and maneuver around the eye. It's reusable and easy to clean, making it a great value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.